Let us see the easy method for the tree traversal. First, let's see pre-order of a given tree. How to find pre-order using easy method. First, draw a line bottom of the tree. See, this is the given tree. We will find pre-order of the tree. First, draw a bottom line like this, and from every node draw a left. Okay, this is left hand side, this is bottom, and this is right. From each and every node, connect this left hand side to the bottom line and do not cross over it. Okay, let's see. First like this, okay, and then this, again this, then this, then this, then this, then this. Okay, this is line which represent A, then this is B, and this is D, this is E, this is C, this is F, and this is G. Okay, all node are connected to left hand side to the bottom line. Scan this line from left to right. Okay, let's see what is the result. A, B, D, A, B, D, E, C, F, G. This is pre-order. Using definition, what we have seen, this was the result. Okay, A, B, D, E, C, F, G. A, B, D, E, C, F, G. This is pre-order. Okay, let's look in order from this tree. Again, first method is draw a line bottom of this tree. From bottom, draw a line and connect to bottom line. Like this is bottom, this is left, this is bottom or lower, and this is right. And for this, rule is same. Do not intercept the line. Okay, bottom of this line, connect. This is bottom, this is bottom, this is bottom, this is bottom, bottom, bottom. Okay, connect to bottom line. Connect, 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 connect. Again, draw what is this name? D, B, E, A, F, C, G. Now scan from left to right. Okay, D, B, E, A, F, C, G. This is the in order. I guess you understand what we will do for post-order traversal. Okay, yes, connect this line from right hand side to bottom line. Okay, this is right hand side, right hand side, right hand side, right hand, right hand, right hand. Okay, first connect this, this, then connect this, this, D, and this is E, this is B, this is F, this is G, this is C, and this is A. Now scan from left to right. Okay, that will be post order. What we got in post order? D, here post order we have drawn D, E, B, F, D, E, B, F, G, C, A, G, C, A. Same we got here. So this is the easy method for pre-order. Connect line from left hand side to the bottom line. For in order, connect line from bottom to down side to the bottom line. For post order, connect right hand side to the bottom line. Okay, for any tree you can do this and find out the traversal. This is the one of the method. There are another method also that I will teach you in next video. Thank you for this.